Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to prepare Maharashtrian style Aaloo Peanut Curry recipe. This is a comforting dish used boiled potatoes, cubes, roasted peanut powder and aromatic black spices masala, making it a perfect rich side dish for chapati, puri and steamed rice. Making aloo ki sabzi or potato curry recipe using black masala powder is traditional Maharashtrian specialty. The deep, rustic and complex flavor profile of the dark roasted spices in a black masala elevates simple potato into a highly aromatic rich curry recipe. In this recipe we are going to use black masala which is made 2 days before, which we will see in next video. Using pre-made black spices creates deeply aromatic dark color and comforting potato dish. This is thin spicy gravy that pairs perfectly with puri, chapati or steamed rice and also with jawar or pearl millet flatbreads also. Ingredients needed for this potato black curry recipe: we need 4 medium-sized potatoes, boil, peel and cut into cubes. Next we need 2 large onions finely chopped, 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1.5 cup of water. For tempered spices, we need half tablespoon of mustard seeds, half tablespoon of cumin seeds, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, and fresh green coriander leaf for garnish. First step is to prepare the base or tadka. Heat a oil or desi ghee in a heavy bottom pan or kadhi over medium heat. Add ginger garlic paste and saute it for about 30 seconds until the raw aroma disappears. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and let them crackle and splutter. Stir it well. We are using black masala powder, so mustard seeds and cumin seeds are optional. You can use it. Add finely chopped onions and stir it well. Saute them frequently for about 3 to 4 minutes until they turn slightly golden brown. After chopped onion becomes soft, at this stage add chopped tomatoes and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes until they also become soft and mashy. Mash the tomato with the back of spoon. Press the tomato directly against the side of your bowl or pan. Try to mash only the flesh of tomatoes. Now it's time to integrate the black masala. Turn the stove flame or gas to low to ensure the spices do not burn. Add black masala spices, turmeric powder, coriander powder and salt. Mix everything thoroughly. Add fresh green coriander leaves and mix it with tomatoes and onion paste. Mix everything thoroughly for 1 minute until the oil begins to separate from the side of the masala paste. Add crushed peanut powder also and mix with black masala, turmeric powder and all spices. When the spices are well cooked, toss in boiled potato cubes and stir gently to evenly coat them with the spices mixture. Mix all the cubed potatoes with spices and black masala stick on the potato cubes. Stir the potato cubes thoroughly into the mashed tomatoes and onions until every piece is fully coated in the mixture. At this stage, you can pour in 1.5 cup of water depending on how thick or thin you prefer your gravy. Bring the liquid to a rolling boil. Lower the heat, cover the pan with lid and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. This allows the potatoes to fully absorb the deep flavor of black spices masala. Also gently mash the few potato pieces with back of your spoon against the side of pan to naturally thicken the gravy. There is no need to add red chili powder those who are eating too spicy, because authentic black masala already contains black pepper, cloves and dark chilies. After well cooked, garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Serve with fresh lemon wedges on the side. Squeeze the fresh lemon juice, cuts through the deep smoky flavor of black spices masala. This rustic flatbread made from millet pairs perfectly with this deep earthy flavor of potato curry recipe. Hot puff of puris also matches with this black masala potato curry recipe. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Give this video a like, turn on notification bell and leave a comments below. Thank you for watching a video.